Opening wine bottles can be tricky, and mistakes can get messy. Here's a step-by-step video that will have you uncorking bottles like a pro in no time. The corkscrew we will be using for our demonstration today is the Vintorio Waiters Corkscrew. The Waiters Corkscrew is a very popular type of corkscrew. It is compact and fairly simple to use if you just know how. Let's go over the different parts of the corkscrew. First you have the foil cutter, then you have the fulcrum, and the spiral or worm, and lastly the handle. Most wine bottles have a foil around the opening of the bottle that you have to remove with the foil cutter blade. Now, you don't want to cut the foil from the upper lip of the bottle. You want to cut it from the second lower lip. Remember that. Not the upper lip, cut the lower lip. This is to prevent your wine from touching the foil when you pour. Make a clean cut around the neck of the bottle. After you're done cutting, slide the foil cutter blade underneath the wine foil and lift. And it's done just like that. Now onto the next step. Next, you want to get your spiral worm out and pierce the cork slightly off center and twist the worm in. Getting your spiral worm in the center of the cork can be tricky the first time, but you can get better with practice. You want to twist the spiral worm down to the center of the cork, leaving one curl showing. And finally, push in the top lever of the fulcrum and lift up the handle. Then, push in the second lever and lift once more to completely remove your cork. Now that wasn't that hard, was it? Grab your own Vintorio Waiters Corkscrew today to open up wine bottles without worry.